Good. Rebound, pass break here. 1-on-1. One Binanga. Offensive foul. Pass to number 25. Bumalik ko floater. Oh, what a move. Number 18, Polo. Sinasakay number 16. Lays up, binit-bit. Lays up, basket and 1 minute on the game clock.
1 minute.
Floater, so palpal ang inabot. Hello mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 8 at Region 9. And here's jump ball. And first ball position for the white team, lays up, first blood. Now, and pass on the corner. Pass to number 25. Stop pick, bumalik ko floater. Oh, what a move, basket for 2. And number 9. Pasa kay number 8. Didiskarte. Attacks, Inararo, fires off the glass. Offensive foul. And here's Region 8, number 25 to number 2. He's setting the play, natapikan. Nagmamadali number 9, Chavez. Dinediretso lays up. Basket for 2. Natapikan na naman. Ito na. Easy bucket. And here's blue team. Region 9 stops. Looking for the receiver. Nagawan. Binit-bit. Lays. Easy bucket. And number 18 here. Umaldag. Oops. Nagawan. Pass break ngayon. Number 11. Oops. Nag-pick catch. Yes. Layup. Easy bucket. And here's Region 9, crossover move, tuloy-tuloy, Nagmekos lays up. And here's number 69, pass on the corner, kicks on the court, drives, kicks out. Here, dive, number floater shot. Oh, what? For the inbound here, looking for the receiver here, number 18, picks. Bounce pass, ito na. Ang napakalaki, left fire. No basket. Minute on the game clock, 1 minute 40 seconds. Floater, so palpal ang inabot. 15-16 score, number 4. Oh, no look pass inside of the glass. Bucket for 2. And long pass for 3. No good. Rebound para sa white team. Region 8, dumatag tuloy-tuloy. Oop, offensive foul. Number 8. Pasa and drives, he spins, fires off the window, Manny. Long 3. And ball position, Region 8. Number 8 here. Drives pass on the inside, the connection. Team Region 9, number 18, Polo. Pass to number 6, pass back Polo. Polo pigs. Polo didiskarte dito. Spins, picks, clutch, palpal. Recover, pull up J, bucket for 2. The inbound, here you go. Region 9, number 18, Polo. Pinasa kay number 16. Lays up, binit-bit, lays up, basket and 1. And here's number 8, behind the back, dribble, Region 8. Oops, nadudulas yung nandun sa loob. And drives, oops. Down to 10 for 3. Rebound, 2 fires, put back, basket and 1. And here's team Region 9, number 6 here. Pasa kay na 19. Side number 16, binekos pa. Battle for the rebound. Pass break na naman. Pinintay pa, tinignan. Easy bucket yan. Number 31. Number 18. Umatake, pass on the inside, libre of the glass, bucket for 2. And 10-point lead for Region 8, behind the back dribble, number 8 here, spin, bounce pass inside, reverse layup, bucket for 2. And here's holding the ball, number 18. And drives, floater, not good. Rebound, pass break here, 1-on-1, 2-on-1, Binanga. Offensive foul. And it's number 8 for Team Region 9. Iniwan. Nabitawan ng bola. Naagawan, pass break ngayon. 2-on-1. Side step to make way. Walang buwak. And pass break. Spin. The big man. Oh, clutch of the glass. That's the... And Region 8 for number 8. Number 28. Sa long three. Bang! Oh! And number 8. Bounce pass. Number 4. Ito na naman. Pigs. Fire off the glass. Wala. And it's number 8. Tuloy-tuloy. Binit-bit pa. And behind the back dribble. Number 25 nagmamadali. Almost. And recover. Kicks out. Here's Ong. Pull up Jetri again. Bang! The nets! Naiwan. Naagawan. Ong iniwang isa. Bang! And here's number 8 for Region 8. Oh, gandang deliver. And the finish. And here's number 8. Region 9. And still 21. 39 score natin mga idol. And pass there. Bikinaldag. Fire off the glass. Wala. Rebound. Nagawan. Pass inside. Libreng-libre. Easy bucket. Sa ilalim. And here's Region 9. Chavez. Bounce pass. Natapikan. And ball is stolen. Long pass. Number 15 pass on the inside. Easy bucket na naman of the glass. And third quarter, Region 9 ball possession. Drives, binit-bit, lays. Chavez, no good rebound. Put back of the window. Manny. Region 8, 20-point lead. Number 2 pass to number 69. Drives on the mid. Lays. Bucket is good. Number 8. Ginugulo ni number 10 Ong. And here's number 8. Team Region 9. Stop. Launch at long 3. Bang! And here's Ong. Ibababa ang bola. Ong. Bounce pass inside. And nice good shot for number 2. And here's the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Corner 3. Oh no. Good rebound. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. Here's Ong. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Tuloy-tuloy sa loob. Spins. Pass on the inside, fires off the window, bucket for... And here's Region 8, behind the back dribble, number 2, drives, full water, bucket for 2, face-to-face. And here's number 3, Region 9, number 9, Chavez, crossover, spin move, puso palpal. For the backdoor inbound here, looking for the receiver, bounce pass, the big man, backdoor play, good move. And here's number 8, pass to number 2. To number 69. Corner. Attacks. Fires off the glass. Out. And here's Lau. Lau, number 8. Lau. Spins. Difficult shot. Wala. And number 69 here. Basado. Pass. No, look pass inside. Fires off the glass. What a drop pass. Number 8 drives at the middle. Corner pass. Natapikan. Nag-agawan, dive for the ball. Nakakuha ng white. Region 8. And pass on the inside. 4 laban sa 2. Pass Ong. Pumasinta sa 3. No good. Rebound. Pass on the inside of the window. Yes, sir. Ball pass number 9. Oop. Eto na naman. Ninat. Pinabitin pa. Pasok yan sa lado. Number 8. Region 8, or bounce pass, lays, binit-bit, bucket for 2. Then guys, number 8, Chavez. Spins, fires, Chavez! 35 seconds, game clock. And fires on the inside, number 15. Oh, pasok yan, Menjola. 15 seconds. Pasa pa kay number 15, Lays. Pasok yan. And here we go, Region 8. Long pass. Pull up jumper of the window, Manny. Chavez, sumisigsag. Nagda-dance-dance. Kicks out. Pass back, Chavez. Drive. And ball possession for Region 8. Number 27. Number 69. Kicks out, Egay. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Back for 2. Number 7. 46-67. Number 4 here. Pass on the corner. 5. So lumipad big. Number 9. Suminid between the legs. Dribble. Pass on the inside. Sa dulo. No look pass. Number 4. Stop floater. Bakit? Ega. Number 18. Polo. Pass to number 1. Number 6. Shot out running down to 10. Drives. Oh, pinook shot. Pasok yan. Region 8. Sharing the play number 27 to number 69. Basalio. Drives. Floater. Pasok yan. Basil. Number 1. Vedad. No look pass. Inside pass. Bullet. Ang gandang pass. A pass and basket and 1. Pass. Number 25. Please. Pipe. Clutch. Fire off the glass. Bucket for 2. Number 25, umikot. Nabitawan, na-recover. Cross pass, drives, binitbit lays. Basilio. And ball possession, region 9. No look pass on the inside. Salado, fires, basket and 1. Salado. Chavez, behind the back dribble. Pass to the corner. Ito na naman si Salado, hinatid. Fires. May foul. Back to 20 yung kalamangan mga idol. It's days up. Oop, too strong. Chavez. Crossover behind the back. Dribble stop. Launch at 3. Bang! Chavez! And here's region 8. Pass to number 25. 2 minutes 31 seconds left. Spins. Kicks on the corner. Fix. Pull up J. Bakit? Ito na naman. Ninatid na the side. Disteleu. That's the side. Chavez. Pass to the middle. Nabitawan. And 3 versus 1. 2 versus 3. Lays. Oh, follow up shot. Fires. Ooh. Number 9 for 3. Bang. Bullseye. Chavez. Stop for 3. Bang! Chavez! Cross pass number 25. Corner sa 3. Bang! Sumagot! And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Region